The another one important component is air preheater. The function of the air preheater is to preheat the air before entering to the furnace by utilizing some of the energy left in the flue gases before exhausting them to the atmosphere. The flue gas comes from the boiler. So from the coal handling system, the coal is used as a energy source to heat the water which is filled inside the boiler. The function of the boiler is to convert the water, that is liquid, into the steam level vapor. So from the after combustion of the that water is converted into the water into the steam, the flue gases from the boiler, that is there are two wastages, one is ash, another one is the flue gas. The ash is removed from the ash handling system, from the boiler by ash handling system, and another one wastage is the flue gas. That flue gas is again recycled by using the air preheater. The after flue gas leave from the economizer, some further heat can be extracted from them and used to heat the incoming heat. Cooling of the flue gases by 20 degree centigrade, that increases the plant efficiency by 1%. So the air preheater plays the vital role in the thermal or steam power plant. The waste generated and their control. There are two methods: ash handling plant and water handling plant. In the ash handling plant, the ash from the boiler is collected in two forms. Bottom ash, that is slurry, it is the waste which is dumped into the ash pan. Second one is the fly ash. The fly ash is separated from the flue gases. The another one waste control system is the water handling plant. The water in a power plant is used for the following purposes: production of steam for rotating the turbines, cooling purpose for cooling of various equipments, because in thermal power plant various equipments implies and it plays the vital role. Due to the continuous operations, the heat is dissipated to cool the devices. For the purpose of the cooling purpose, the cooling of various components, the water handling plant is used. Water is recycled and used for the various purposes. For example, raw water for cooling purpose, and is from the equipments, the heat is dissipated to this cooling water, then it converted into the steam. The steam again passes to the condenser. In the condenser, from the cooling water is passes to the condenser. So during this process, from the condenser we can get again the cooling raw water. About 4 cubic meter water is lost per day megawatt. Then advantages of the steam power plant: the fuel used is quite cheap. The less initial cost is compared to the other generating station, for example hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plants, gas turbine power plants. It can be installed at any place irrespective of the existence of coal. The coal can be transported to the site of plant by rail or roads. Because of the usage of coal, the power plants are installed near the load center. Then only we can transport the coal easily from the coal handling system. Then disadvantages of power plants are: it pollutes the atmosphere due to producing the large amount of smoke and fumes. So the smoke and the fumes are the main wastage. It comes from the power plants during the boiler operation. We can get two wastages: one is ash, another one is the flue gas. Like that, from the ash it again recycled by use of a preheater. Again the wastage is passes through the chimney. So from the chimney the pollutes the atmosphere. Then higher maintenance cost and operational cost compared than the other power plants. Huge requirement of water, because during the operations many important devices are involved. So due to the continuous operations, the heat is generated inside the devices. So due to the heat, the efficiency of the devices also will be decreased. So to overcome these difficulties, here all the equipments is cooled by using the raw waters, so that the huge requirement of water is required for steam power plant. So this is the reference of this presentation. Thank you for your learning. Thank you.